Hi there, boys and girls, and welcome back to Conquering Math, where it all adds up. Today you will be learning about ratios. Let's dive on in. By the end of today's lesson, you will be able to use ratios to compare two quantities. The Common Core State Standard today is to understand the concept of a ratio and use ratio language to describe a ratio relationship between two quantities. First, we need to know exactly what a ratio is. A ratio is a comparison or relationship of two quantities. Ratios can be expressed in multiple ways. For example, if you look below, there are 2 blue circles to 3 red circles. This can also be written using a colon in between, 2 blue circles to 3 red circles. We can also express ratios as percentages. 40% of the circles are blue, and 60% of the circles are red. Let's take a look at example 1a. We need to write the ratio of sunflowers to palm trees. There are 3 sunflowers, and there are 4 palm trees, so our ratio can be written as 3 to 4. For part B, we need to write the ratio of palm trees to carrots. There are 4 palm trees, and there are 2 carrots, so the ratio can be written as 4 to 2, or simplified as 2 to 1. Finally, we need to write the ratio of sunflowers to the total number of plants. There are 3 sunflowers, and there are 9 total plants. So we can write this ratio as 3 to 9, or we can simplify it as 1 to 3. Let's take a look at example 2. The table on the right shows the colors of houses on Maple Street. Write the ratio of blue houses to white houses. There are 3 blue houses and there are 8 white houses, so our ratio is 3 to 8. For part B, we need to write the ratio of green houses to brown houses. There's 1 green house and 4 brown houses, so the ratio is 1 to 4. Finally, for part C, we need to write the ratio of white houses to non-white houses. There are 8 white houses, and adding together the blue, the green, and the brown, we find another 8 houses. So the ratio of white houses to non-white houses is 8 to 8, or 1 to 1. Example number 3. Your family has 6 cats and 4 dogs. Use ratios to describe the number of animals in your family. First, you need to write the ratio of cats to dogs. Because there are 6 cats and 4 dogs, we can simplify this to the ratio 3 to 2. You can say, there are 3 cats for every 2 dogs in my family. Next, write the ratio of dogs to cats. This will use the same numbers, but we've reversed the order. So this time we have the ratio of 2 to 3. There are 2 dogs for every 3 cats in my family. Finally, we need to use a fraction to express the ratio of cats to total animals. 6 cats and 4 dogs is a total of 10 animals. 6 of them are cats, so 6/10 simplifies down to 3/5. 3/5 of the animals in my family are cats. Today you learned to use ratios to compare two quantities. The Common Core State Standard today was to understand the concept of a ratio and use ratio language to describe a ratio relationship between two quantities. Now that you are familiar with these techniques, complete the independent practice problems in your guided notes packet. Then watch the independent practice solutions video to check your work. Thanks for watching this episode of Conquering Math, where it all adds up. I'll see you next time.